The nature of reality, it's pure subjective fantasy. Space and time and here and now are only in your mind. Machine of God and devil too, with no weapons, just the truth. Belief does not existence make, it's only in your mind. Jason Momoa, it's Jason Momoa to Jason Momoa, Jason Momoa to Jason Momoa to Jason Momoa and Jason Momoa, Jason Momoa, Jason Momoa, Jason Momoa, Momoa, Jason Momoa, Momoa. The nature of reality is only in your mind. Ooh, Jason Momoa, Jason Momoa, Jason Momoa is Aquaman, and he's also that guy from Game of Thrones. I've never seen Game of Thrones. I hear it's good. Everyone seems to like it, but I also heard that the ending is not great, so that makes me not really want to start it. If someone convinces me otherwise, I'll start it, but at this moment I don't really care. I don't know. Write down in the comments if it's worth it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna continue watching Seinfeld and SpongeBob. What can I say? All right, bye.